Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you few simple steps using which you can easily overcome the black wallpaper or background issue in Windows 11. To get started, simply search for run. Now copy this location from the video description, paste it here and click on OK. Now delete all the contents that you see in this folder. Once done, restart your PC and set your preferred wallpaper, and this should fix the issue. In the next method, go to Control Panel. Click on Ease of Access Center. Click on this option. Now scroll down the page. Uncheck this option if it is tick marked. Save the changes and see if this helps or not. In the next method, search for Device Manager. Expand the display adapter. Right click over it. Click on Update Driver and try to update your graphics driver. In the final method, search for Task Manager. From here, locate Windows Explorer, right click over it and click on Restart. So this might also fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.